What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. We're going to do a quick rundown on today's market and kind of just let you know where a lot of people are looking and some of the interesting things that have happened over the course of the weekend and into this Monday morning. So first and foremost, GameStop tanked again from 192 down to a low of 154 today. So the price of GameStop is essentially going lower. They reported news of doing a 3.5 million share stock offering. A lot of times those offerings are going to dilute the stock price and help it go down. So, the news of the offering is primarily what has caused this drop here this morning. Yes, the stock is in sort of a downtrend from this top. So yes, we are kind of trending down, but a lot of this drop had to do with that offering today. For me right now, I have support as low as 145.99 to 139 right now. And then, what else do we have here? So that's 171, 1 second. So this is down at 171, which that might change a little bit when the market opens. All right, so this 171 here is sort of a little breakout level and or rejection point. So for me, if for whatever reason GameStop can't get back through 171, we should see the price sell back down and roll this direction, okay? But also there are some traders in the market that are definitely looking long GameStop to break through the 171 for right now. Me, personally, overall, I am bearish on the stock. Yes, I think we can bounce back up a little bit off this down move, but overall, I think we're going to continue seeing GameStop sell lower. All right. Now going and looking at AMC just real quickly. You can see AMC kind of got crushed last Friday. This morning, it came down to this previous price action support and bounced way more than I thought it would have. It's even crossed through some resistance points, at about 960. Overall, remaining bearish on AMC. Do anticipate the prices will continue to roll this way and then break down. But for right now on the day, you'll see that we're up on the green, which means this is what the 1 minute chart looks like, okay? So you can see we bounced, had a really solid morning so far. Overall, I think we will see AMC still get sold into and roll lower. Okay. A popular stock a lot of people are talking about this morning is NNOX. So NNOX was a big pre-market gapper. You can see that it stopped here pre-market way earlier, and then it stopped here again, and now we're selling off. This is double resistance. If you look at the 1 year chart, you will see that this yellow line somewhere right here, yellow line comes into play at $70.80. Go to the 4 hour chart, you will see that this yellow line comes into play at $70.45. So either way, those two resistance marks exist right there. You can see we ran here, pulled back, jump, pulled back, push, pull back, drop. So right now, the resistance for NNOX is $70, and that is your breakout point for right now. On the plus side, the market is doing phenomenal. Okay, if you look, market S&P is over 400. For those that follow the channel, we did mention that you're probably going to see prices of 400 to 401 or something like that. And we're now up at 403. Now, if you look at the NASDAQ QQQ, you will see that QQQ is all the way up at 327. Just last week, we told you there was going to be a price target of 329 that we were going for. So right now, we're probably today we'll hit 329, or by tomorrow, we're going to hit 329, which is our trending target. It's actually 330 now. So expect you're going to see prices of 330 very soon on the NASDAQ. And then you'll probably pull back a little bit, hesitate around 330, and then we're going to look for a move to the all-time high here very soon. Okay, so with that being said, that's really the watches for you guys. We're keeping an eye on AMC. We're keeping an eye on GameStop. Still, the market is performing really, really well. We enjoy that. We like the way that looks. That NNOX stock, we're watching again that like 74 price. Oh, and then really quickly, almost forgot, CEMI. CEMI is a stock that jumped up today, I think, on some COVID-19 vaccine news stuff. Our current resistance is 560. Well, actually, really, it's the pre-market high too, but So this is kind of a resistance point. You can see we've gotten here and the market's trying to hold over. You can see how we've kind of pushed over. We had this candle hold. So we're really watching the price action of CEMI to see if it can sustain above or below the 560s. If it can sustain above the 560s, we can suggest that we might in fact hit a target of 609, which is the previous pre-market high. So this white solid line here is a 4-hour regression level. This level down here, the dotted white line, is a half deviation level, and this dotted line here is a half deviation level, and this yellow line is a big resistance point. So we're kind of just watching all these price points for the time being. But overall, CEMI has some like COVID-19 rapid testing flu stuff. If you ask me, I think it's pretty lame news. So I feel as if CEMI is going to look and try to go long, and then it's going to sell off myself. So kind of watching this a little short bias as well. So with that being said, guys, that's our pre-market watch list today. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you as always, and we'll see you on the next video.